Let's start this episode with a clip in which biker had very unusual experience while he tried to fill his bike up.
Hey mate, can I please get you to take your helmet off just for the cameras?
Jesus. You're
That's your merge lane. Use it.
While following speed limit, this biker made driver behind very angry, and after this careless pass, biker followed the driver to confront him.
Yeah? Stop. Huh? Why are you tailgating me? Why are you tailgating me? Listen. Listen. It's to 20 miles per hour. It's 20 miles per hour down there. How? You go and look. It's 20 miles. Huh? Go back and look.
I didn't know that, bro. I thought it was 30.
Idiota.
That's why I'm behind you.
Idiota. Why are you tailgating me like that? That's why I slowed down, because you are...
Yeah, because I thought it was a 30.
You thought. You need to look
I didn't
first.
know that. I didn't know.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Не можеш се ни нагет, то есть не смеш се нагет. Ого! Стари мой Римов! Без завихитну и ложи в мотор. Телга изтргана. Телга je ušla u Boli me nos. Dobar.
Curbs may seem harmless to the most, but for motorcycle riders, they can be a disaster.
Very clever. Missed the gear there as well. That's another one for Bellend of the week.
Oh god, pick a line, pick a line, pick a line. Oh. Come on.
This biker tried several times to conquer this hill, but at the end, hill won.
But very doable. Nah.
Here's ball tyres stuffing me a bit.
I'll have to give up.
This biker wanted to celebrate Easter by going out and sharing Easter eggs with random people on the street.
I've been round to the ambulance station handing out. Yeah, let's go. Happy Easter. Oh, thank you. Sure, happy Easter. It's all okay. Hands are a bit sweaty, it's alright. Yeah, thank you. It's alright, you're welcome. Happy Easter. I don't actually, it's alright. Cancel that one. Happy Easter.
Oh, thank you.
It's alright.
Legend.
Just trying to find people now to give them to.
Oh, Lord bless you. Thank you.
Yeah, I've seen quite a few ambulances, I thought I'd pop in and grab a call. See ya. And you, bye.
And that's it for this episode. Guys, the new part of our brick house build is up. Make sure to check it out and please leave some feedback.